Extreme Bass Fishing with Shane Kirkpatrick.
Look at that beauty.
Today's fishing location is located on the Randall Ranch.
Fishing. It is a team game. You have to be one with the environment. You have to trust your lure as you cast it out. See, I by myself can't catch a fish. It has to be with my lure, my pole, and my handy line. And a little bit of luck from nature that I do catch a fish. See, it doesn't happen every cast. You have to work it. You gotta have patience. Patience is the key. And what do you know? We have a fish. And I'm pretty sure this is not a bass. This is just a dumb little bluegill. But any fish will do. And as you see, by the yellow markings on its belly, this is both a male and a female. And it breeded with itself. Gotta be careful because it has sharp things on its back. And just gotta be careful. And look how small.
What you will see next is the proper technique of throwing fish back in their natural habitat.
And then up! Back in the nature it goes. Well, as you know, this is a pretty good pond to fish in. And Old Man Randall, who lives at the top of the hill, you can see his house, is pretty anal about who fishes on his pond. And we had to take extreme caution of getting down here so he wouldn't see us. Because he doesn't like people fishing his pond like we are today. And I was ducking under fences, and we had to jump the gate, with barbed wire. There's even some mines around here you gotta be careful of. But he's a very bad dude, and he'll pull out his rifle and fire rounds down here if he catches you. So we gotta be very careful what we're doing. Well, Old Man Randall is usually on his porch with his binocs, looking for trespassers. So that's why I'm hiding right here. I'm gonna make a run for it. I'm gonna bound this fence right here, and I'm gonna run, and then every now and then I'm gonna duck in the grass just to do that. And I might crawl halfway in the grass just to get there, but it should be tough.
Shane Kirkpatrick and the camera crew also have to be careful about the savage dog that roams around on the property.
Well, we got deep grass the rest of the way, so I'm pretty sure if we shimmy ourselves over, we get that out being spotted. If you got something on your lure, I like to call it lure, not lure, because it's just lure. Well, if you got something on there and you don't want to take it off by hand, you use a simple technique. You just kind of flip your wrist over in like a overward fashion and just smash it. Just keep smashing it until it comes off.
That's a beautiful cast.
Just kind of gotta
That
work
is
it.
a nice cast. That is a beautiful, nice cast. That's a nice, beautiful cast. It's a cast that's beautiful and nice. It's nice and beautiful. It's a cast. A nice and beautiful one.
You got a big one. Look at that beauty. Now, isn't that a beauty? That was right next close to the bank when I caught that. Just on this little lure. Not a good fish.
That's a beautiful fish.
Look at Brooke.
That's a really nice one.
Now we're gonna let
Really big fish. That's a really nice one.
this guy go so he
That's
could
a
grow
really big fish.
and we can catch him in the future.
That's a really nice fish. A really big one. A really nice fish. It's a big one. It's big and it's nice and it's a fish. It's a really big, nice fish.